Let's start our computer class. I am Little Tom, your computer teacher. In the last session, we have learned about basics of Microsoft Word and a new feature that is Format Painter. And today, in this session, we will learn about Subscript, Superscript, Find and Replace option and working with shapes. Applying different effects to the shapes. Let's get started.
That is, first let us learn subscript and superscript. The subscript option makes selected text smaller and lower than the main text. So let us learn first what is subscript. So here I am typing H2O. So if you want to make a text as subscript, first select that text, which one you want to make as subscript. So here I am selecting 2. Now in the Home tab, Font group, click on this icon. This is subscript icon. Shortcut key is Control and equal to button from the keyboard. So let us click on this icon. Now you can see that 2 has become the subscript. Now you can read this as H2O, the chemical formula for water. So like this we can create subscripts so that text will be lower than the main text. H and O is the main text and this 2 just is little lower than the main text and size also is smaller. Now let's learn superscript. The superscript option makes the selected text smaller and higher than the main text in a document. So let us type here X2 and I want to make this 2 as superscript for X square. So select the text. Now this is the icon for superscript. Shortcut key is Control Shift and the plus sign from the keyboard. So this icon is available in the Font group of Home tab. Click on this superscript icon. Now you can see here that selected text has become superscript for X. So X is the main text and it is slightly higher than the main text and smaller also. So now let us read this as X square. Let us see how can we use the shortcut key. Shortcut key for subscript is Control and equal to sign. So here I am typing H2O, H2O. I am selecting the text 2, letter 2. Now from the keyboard I am pressing this Control and equal to sign. Now you can see that 2 has become the subscript for this H. Here also let us try the shortcut key. Shortcut key for superscript is Control Shift and plus sign. So I am typing here X and 2. First let me stop this superscript. Now I am typing X and 2. Select the text 2. Then press Ctrl and Shift from the keyboard. Then press plus sign. Now you can see here that number 2 has become the superscript for letter X. Now let us read this as X square. So we have learned subscript and superscript. Subscript option makes selected text smaller and lower than the main text, whereas superscript option makes selected text smaller and higher than the main text. Now let's learn another feature, that is shadow effect. Let us learn how to apply shadow effect to the text. Shadow effect enhances the look of the text. So for that, first I am typing here class 5. First you can select the text. I am enlarging the text now, increasing the size of the text. Select the text and from the Home tab, Font group, this is the icon for text effects. So if you want to apply shadow effect, first select the text, then click on text effects option present in the font group of the Home tab. That is Home tab. Click on the Home tab. This is the font group, and here this is the text effect icon. Click on this small arrow near to that text A. Now you will get a window. From here you can select shadow option. Point that. Then on the right side, different types of shadow effects are available. From there you can select any type of shadow. So I am selecting this one, and you can change the color. From here you can change the color. Now you can see the selected text with the shadow effect. You can try another shadow effect. Select the text. Outline, I am giving outline for this one, slight yellow color. Another shadow effect I am taking from here, this one. Click OK. Like this you can change the look of your text by using the shadow effect. Now let's learn another option, that is find option. Find option used to find a particular word in a document. So here this is the document. In this document, if you want to find out the word trees, let us use this find option. So for that, click on the find option present in the editing group of the Home tab. Click on the Home tab, then click on the this is the editing group. Click here. You will get another option box. From there select find option. Click here, or Ctrl+F, that is the shortcut key. Then a navigation pane will appear. Here you can give the search word, which word you want to find out. So that is, here I am giving trees. So now you can see here the word trees get highlighted in the document, and how many occurrence of the word trees. 7 places in this document you can see trees, the word trees. We can search another word, that is plant. plants occur at 4 places in this document. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that word will get highlighted and we can easily find out the word in the document. So that is the use of find option. Find option used to find a particular word in a document. From where we will get the find option? From the home tab, editing group, we will get the find option. In the navigation pane, you have to type the word, which word you want to find. Now let's learn replace option. You can find out a word in the document, and if you want to change that word into some other word, we can use replace option. So for that, click on the editing tab, editing group. In the home tab, click on the replace option. Then a dialog box will appear here with 2 boxes, find what and replace with the which word. So we can change that word. First, find what. I am changing that word to trees. Find what box, I am typing trees. So I want to find out all the words trees, and here I want to replace all the words the trees into suppose forest. So now let us click on find next here. Then it will highlighted like this, selected like this. If you want to replace that, replace, you can click. After you can check and replace one by one by clicking this replace like this. The next word, it will point out the next word. If you want to replace, you can replace that word, or you can click on the find next. If I don't want to replace this word into forest, then I can click on the find next option. Then it will show the third occurrence of the trees. So if you want to replace, click on replace button, so that will be changed into forest, and in single click you can replace all the words in that document with forest. So for that you can click on replace all. Then in single click all that words will change to forest. So here trees are there, here trees are there, then one more place trees are there. So let us click on that replace all button. Now look here, this tree and this tree, these 2 trees are visible now, and here also one tree, this one. So I am clicking on the replace all button now. So within one click we can change that word trees in the whole document with the forest. So click. Now you can see that this tree has changed into forest, and here that tree has changed into forest, here also that tree has changed into forest. So now all have done. The all dialog box has appeared. You have to click here OK. Like this, here also one forest. So like this we can change a word in a document with using find and replace option. You can find out a word using find option. If you want to change that word into some other word, we can use replace option. And if you want to check and replace one by one, we can click on this replace button. Then it will replace one by one. If you want to replace all that word in a single click in one stretch, you can click on the replace all button. Clear? Now let's learn an interesting feature in Microsoft Word, that is working with shapes. We can insert shapes in a document such as rectangles, circles, arrows, lines, and so on. Word has various ready-made shapes that you can insert. So we can insert shape in the document area. For that, first click on Insert tab. Here, click on the Insert tab. Now you can see here different groups. From the click on Illustrations group. Here, a list of different options available. From there, you can click on the shapes. Different variety of shapes are ready-made shapes are available here. From there, you can select any shape. Here I am selecting this rectangle shape. And all of you know how to draw shape. Click and drag the shape. Drag the mouse to get that shape. Now, a blank rectangle shape has been inserted here. We can do lots of formatting to this picture. We can fill that picture with color. Any color you can give, or you can give outline using this red outline I am giving. Here various shape effects we can insert using this shape effects. So click there, and we can set some preset designs are there. You can see that preview here while I am moving on the different presets. So see, you can see these are different presets for the shape. Or you can give shadow effect to the picture. So here if I am selecting, you can see if I am selecting this one, see the preview in the picture. So I am moving this picture slightly to this left side so that it will be more visible. Click on this shape effects, shadow effect. I am selecting different shadow effects from here. So you can see that. Now I am selecting this one, and reflection. You can see the reflection. See, you can see the reflection while I am selecting. Now I am selecting this reflection. Also you can give glow effect to the picture. Glow effect you can see here. You can make soft edges. Or this bevel of options. See, or the 3D rotation. So different shape effects you can apply to the shape. You can draw different shapes like this smiley face. For getting the smiley face, insert, click on the Insert tab, Illustration groups, Shapes, and here ready-made smiley is available here. Click and drag and draw the smiley face. Like this you can draw and format pictures. changing style. To change the style of a shape, you have drawn. Select the shape. Then from the shape styles group, this is the shape styles group, you can see when you hover the mouse over the shape style, different style, the color of the shape has been changed. Now you can see the preview of the style, and more styles are available here. Once you click on this arrow button, more styles are available, and you can see the preview while I hover the mouse over each style. I am selecting this one. So like this we can change the style of a shape. Now let's see how we can give the outline. Select the shape. Click on the shape outline icon here. This is shape outline. And click on the arrow. Different colors are available here. From there, you can select any color. I have given a green color. And select the text. Click on this. If you want to change the thickness of the line, you can click here, different weight, line thickness for the outline. So I am selecting now this one. Now you can see the outline clearly. I can change the style of the outline style like this. If I want to change, or like this or like this. Like this we can select the type of the outline which you want to apply to the shape. We have already learned how to apply shape effects. By clicking this, different shape effects are available. From there, we can give any shape effect from here. Now let's learn how to add text on a picture. So just click on the picture and start typing. So here I am clicking that and I can type the text. We can also add text by right clicking on the picture and from the menu select add text option. So here we can add text. Thank you. Like this. By this, let's wind up the session for today. All of you please read the textbook and try to do the practicals. Thank you and have a nice day to you all.